here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice.
I like it nice. Like the whole entire thing just nice. You have the, you know, basically they now a riverbed and it go all the way back down. So yeah, right now we stand up on the hot concrete. Hot. See if I can go in a little bit closer. Alright, so look at that, guys. Just like that. Yo, it's nice. It's nice. So man, in general I go look some mango. Right, my boss? Yeah. I fall that pretty though. Very, very beautiful. Guys, listen to that. Rushing water. How beautiful is that? Wow. This is so lovely. Yeah guys, so like I say, we're out here. Your boy they're on the adventure again. And there I go, see if we can get to mango. Now the hills here. Well, I'm showing about the waterfall. You can come from? Yeah man, I'm good man. Wow, now this is nice. So my general, what your name? Pete Brown. Alright, Mr. Pete Brown. So guys, Mr. Pete Brown, I can't go look some mango. But I'm trying to wear my shoes though. Going hot. But you know true we are countryman see me.
Can't take time now, you know.
Yeah, we don't know yes. Day long. Yes guys, so finally made it into the tree. Don't worry. When I already know say yo, I'm a countryman, you see me, climbing the tree. So I put that one in my pocket. Not even want it for job. Oh my gosh. This is one of the reasons why, you know, I'm so glad to say, yo, I'm born and grow a country, cause like these things, like any normal regular man couldn't do, you see me? It might look simple, but trust me. Yo, like, give me a river, I swim it. Give me a tree, I'll climb it. You see me? Give me any obstacle, I'm up for it. When I say adventure, I'm ready. Yes guys, and just like that. Oh, we're back on the ground. Find a few man, we're gonna find a wally. Alright guys, now I'm sweating like crazy. I got a few mangoes in my backpack. Here, you know. Yes, guys, so this was all for the adventure, all for you guys. So guys, please watch out the odds them. We're almost back on the riverbed, so soon reach back down. Yeah, it's crazy guys, but hey, we live for the adventure and we're doing this for you. So like I said before, when you see me sweat, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know how you like today's vlog. And guys, just share out the video them to a friend, you know, make them know say yo, colors over there going with some things, and we're gonna, you know, get him to 5K, 10K and beyond, because that's the dream. Can't wait to get that first plaque, 100K plaque. Might seems a long way off, but trust me, nothing is impossible, right? Yeah man, can reach it. First we got to know by our side. When we got to know by our side, we can reach it guys. So you know, it's so cool and nice out here. It's peaceful. Wow, I love this. Guys, I got to show you this. If you're afraid of cow, don't you come down here. So look at that cow. Biggie man. See if I can go a little closer. Wow. Look like all one man cow too. Why am I look for me? So guys, we're finally back on the river. The only thing about this is the stones are super hot. I'm barefoot right now. So trust and believe that my feet are under fire.